If you want to install a game from GOG, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can get your game downloaded and installed without any confusion. Whether you just bought a game or you're reinstalling something you already own, the process is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open GOG Galaxy on your PC. Once the app is open, sign into the account that owns the game you want to install. This is important because your library will only show the games tied to that account. After you're signed in, look for the Owned Games section. This is where GOG keeps all of the titles you have purchased or redeemed. Click on Owned Games to open your library and browse your collection. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of games. When you find the game you want, click on it to open the game page. On that page, you will see the Install option. Go ahead and click Install to begin the setup process. At this point, GOG will ask you where you want to save the game files. You can choose the default location if you want the easiest setup, or you can select a different folder or drive if you prefer to keep your games organized. This is especially useful if you have a separate SSD or a large game drive on your computer. Once you've selected the file location, double check that the path is correct and that you have enough free storage space. After that, click Install again to confirm your choice and start the download. GOG will now begin downloading the game and preparing the installation in the background. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes or quite a bit longer. While it's installing, you can usually monitor the progress right inside GOG Galaxy. You'll see the download status, and once it finishes, the launcher will handle the rest of the installation automatically. If the game has extra files, updates, or additional components, GOG will usually manage those for you as part of the same process. When everything is complete, the game will be ready to launch from your library. If you ever need to install the game again later, you can simply return to Owned Games, select the title, and repeat the same steps. That's why GOG is so convenient for PC gamers. It makes owning, downloading, and reinstalling games really straightforward. So to recap, open GOG Galaxy on PC, go to Owned Games, select the game, click Install, choose your file location, and click Install one more time to begin the download. And that's it. You've successfully installed a game from GOG. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.